In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export deals from HubSpot. This process is essential for maintaining your database and ensuring you have all your information readily available when you need it. Whether you're managing sales data for reporting purposes or simply need to share it with your team, exporting your deals from HubSpot can be straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to the Deals page in your HubSpot account. To do this, head over to the Sales menu and select Deals. This will bring up a comprehensive view of your sales pipeline, showcasing all the deals you've been managing. It's crucial to ensure you're on the right page to access all the options we're about to explore. Next, take a look at your view settings. You'll want to be in the All Deals tab, or alternatively, you can switch to a custom view that contains the specific deals you wish to export. This flexibility allows you to tailor your export to suit exactly what you're looking to analyze or share. Make sure you select the view that best suits your needs at the moment. Once you've settled on your desired view, direct your attention to the top right of the deal table. Here, you'll see a button labeled Table Actions. Clicking on this button will open up several drop-down menu options related to managing and modifying your data view. Within that drop-down, look for the option labeled Export View. Selecting this option is the key step in beginning the exportation process. You'll find that HubSpot makes it straightforward to transfer your data into a workable file format. Now let's configure your export. HubSpot gives you the option to choose the file format. Typically, a CSV file is standard for exporting data like this, as it's easily readable and compatible with programs like Excel. Additionally, you have the choice to include only the properties visible in the columns or to incorporate all properties associated with your deals. This distinction is important depending on how much data you wish to analyze outside of HubSpot. After you finalize these settings, go ahead and click the Export button to initiate the process. HubSpot will start preparing your file according to the configuration settings you've selected. Finally, once your file is ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Alternatively, if you're already in your HubSpot accounts, you can find this download link in your notification center. From there, you can download the file and begin analyzing your exported deals on your preferred platform. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your deals from HubSpot, ready to be utilized for further analysis or for sharing with colleagues. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, managing your data efficiently can greatly streamline your sales and reporting processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.